doing?
I'm playing in the sink. Dawson has learned how to turn on the water. Go ahead. No, not the mirror. The water. Okay, maybe. Here we go. There we go. He likes the feel of the water on his feet. Then he likes to start dancing a little bit. Go ahead. No, no. You have to take off his pants for this operation because he gets his pants all wet.
Hi, Dee. Are you dancing with Daddy? And playing in the sink? Hi. Oh, who's a fussy baby tonight?
Who's that?
Today is April 19th. No, 20th? What's today?
April 20th.
April 20th. Dawson is a little over 7 months old.
Wow, 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 wow. Wow, wow, wow. We're pulling out all the stops to entertain this kid tonight because he's a little cranky.
Or a lot.
Ah.
He won't eat.
Here, who's that?
He won't sleep.
There we go. There we go.
Whoa.
Who's that?
I like the look on his face there. Like, what?
Who's that? Ah. La 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 la.
Hi. Dawson. Hi.
So when you come and wash your hands in our powder room, just remember that a boy has been using it as his personal wading pool.
It's just the right size, really.
La 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 la. Should we turn on the water?
Anything you want to say, Dawson?
Oh, there's Mommy.
Hi, baby. Hi, sweet
Hi,
boy.
Mommy.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Dawson.
Hi,
Hi, baby.
Hi, Mama.
Hi.
What? Okay.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye-bye, Mommy.
Bye-bye, Dawson. Bye-bye,
I don't know why
Daddy.
we're closing this bathroom door, but we are. Bye.